Welcome back to another video, guys. My name is Ben from Flow Brackets, and today I'm going to show you how to put standard size signature plates onto this Porsche Cayenne S. Let's get into it. So you're probably watching this video for one of two reasons. Number one, you're trying to put signature plates in the standard size onto your Cayenne S and you're looking for information, which is great. Or number two, you've already bought a bracket and you realize that it doesn't fit because of this camera that pokes down. So ST2 is the wrong size bracket for you. We've redeveloped a new bracket just for this problem, which is also shared on the new Audis like the RS6. So if you're looking to get standard size signature plates onto your car, you will need our new bracket, which is called ST2-2, where the holes are no longer in the middle. We've shifted it up so that the plate and bracket come down to clear this camera. Installation is pretty simple. Just align the bracket with the two holes and send in the bolts provided in the kit. Everything's made out of black stainless steel and powder coated black, so nothing will ever rust on you. Now that you've got the bracket onto the car using the two bolts supplied, all you need to do is grab your signature plate, pop it up into the top mount there. It hooks into the back of the frame. Then click it into the bottom mount, which is a snap fit. All you need to do is push tight and clicks in. Just recenter from left to right. I think that's pretty good. Maybe to the left a little bit. And then tighten the grub screws. Just a top tip, guys, if you want to tighten these grub screws on the bottom, just lift up the tailgate a little bit so it makes your life a little easier. Now we can grab our Allen key that's provided in the kit. It's got a little ball end on it, which means that you can put it into the grub screw on an angle and keep tightening that. Now these grub screws not only stop the plate from moving from left to right, but it also expands the snap fit into the bottom of the channel at the back of this plate so that it won't release or unclip. It's a bit of a safety feature. And that's how you put standard size signature plates onto a Porsche Cayenne that has this drop down camera. And best of all, this bracket is designed to clear this camera so it doesn't interfere. Hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.